guys, here we are at a complex. Oh shoot, I was falling. Here's a train. Guess I'll stay up here to record it around, because I'm not as tall as this thing. Oh, maybe I am. What's that noise? Not 2023. So it's like 2 years old. Is this carrier from 2023 or 2024? That is from, oh, this is from 2022. Oh God, my battery's running low. Will I have enough time to record this complex? Will I have enough time to record this complex? Guess I'll have to find out. Here's a carrier base model. It's a heat pump. Yeah, this is probably a heat pump heaven. There's another train. Shorter. That is from 2022. Here's a mini split. I kind of forgot about this. A smart inverter. This one's probably connected to the internet. Here's the air temp, and I think that air temp over there is running. Heat pump. Well, I think I can get the data from all these. Oh, yeah, I don't know the data. Here's this air temp that's running. Yep, that's definitely in cool mode. That's blowing out quite some warm air. Oh, there's some more units over there. Here's this Amana. Not bad. Not a bad Amana. Oh. A small inverter here. This one's pretty small. This one is sure pretty small. Here's a Bryant ICP. Heat pump. Yeah, these are all heat pumps, I think. What do we got over there? Should I get the data? Wait, where's the data? Oh, it's on the other side. Okay, May 2018. Why am I rushing through all these units? Huh. I did not expect something like this. And here is my first ream or rood. I don't know which one it is. It's either a ream or a rood. It's a ream. It's my first type of ream in person. And here's this unit. That has not been running. How about this? Nope. Maybe. Yeah, this hasn't been running. Yeah, I don't think. Oh wow, that's a little open. Oh, has a Bristol. The wires are sticking out. Pretty nice ream here. Kelvin ladder. I don't know. I do not know what that says. Heating and cooling. Oh, is this a heat pump or a straight cool? I don't know. Oh yeah, it's a heat pump. It's a heat pump. I'm just looking at this unit of it because it's quite old and nice. And this ream. Huh, that didn't take that much time at all. That rather took 5 minutes. This video I'm talking about only took like 5 minutes. Oh, there's a nice little guy here. Yeah, there's a nice little guy here. Yeah, this is a heat pump with a sound blanket. I think that's a clip and scroll. I think that has a clip and scroll in it. Here's the air tip. Once more. That's blowing out some nice warm air. That is some nice air. Nice warm air. That's doing a good job. And it definitely doesn't have a helicopter. Most of the units I've seen don't have a helicopter. Yeah, I don't think these have been running. I mean, yeah, some of them. This hasn't been running either, I don't think. I mean, I don't know. I'm not scared. I'm just being cautious of the units. I'm just being cautious. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. That is what I call bad work right there. That is definitely not a good job. That is very lousy work right there. This unit might even be dead. Who knows? You can see the wires in there. God. Nothing. I just heard something, that's all. Dang. I didn't look at these units that much. I'm just making sure to get these units good. So this is from 2022 or what? God. Vape. Yeah, I don't think this has been running since yesterday. Because I saw the blades, they're like the same angle as this. Yesterday when I saw this little complex here. I think this hasn't been running either. I don't think these are gonna kick on. So I should be okay. And, oh no, this might have to check the side of the unit. There's the logo. Oh, I think it's this side. Oh, never mind. Oh, this might be a stray cord. Because I don't know where the, oh, here it is. Yeah, it's a heat pump. Yep, it's a heat pump. It was a nice looking train. Just taking a second to look at it in real life, in person. Nice train. And nice carrier too. Alrighty, well, I'll end the video here. Well, that's this oh my god. Almost slipped on the slope. Oh crap. I think I'm gonna have to go the other way because I think I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. Okay, good. I'm on a good angle. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, good. I'm gonna have to stay on this edge here. Yeah, there we go. Alrighty, well, that's the end of this video. I'd probably better get out of here. That was quite the climb. Yeah, I took a photo of it around right here. Oh, maybe, yeah, I don't think that was running. None of these kicked on. These two. Alrighty, well, ending the video here. Peace out.